Noong 2017, correct me if I'm wrong, may President's Accomplishment Report kayo.
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Chair.
Tanungin kita, where were you the other day at 4 o'clock in the afternoon?
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Yung nga sinabi ko.
Yung former President ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC? Kaugnay dito?
ICC, ma'am, I'm asking the ICC to hurry up and if possible, they can come here and start the investigation tomorrow. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal, ma'am, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you na magpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nilang investigation. And if I am found guilty, I will go to prison and rot there for all time. My language is brutal and raw for criminals. Wala akong pasensya, ma'am. I've been a prosecutor for 9 years.